Hi Year 3, welcome back. Today we are going to read chapter 5 called The Golden Tickets. You mean people are actually going to be allowed to go inside the factory? Cried Grandpa Joe. Read us what it says, quickly. All right, said Mr. Bucket, smoothing out the newspaper. Listen. Mr. Willy Wonka, the confectionery genius whom nobody has seen for the last 10 years, sent out the following notice today. I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children, just 5, mind you, and no more, to visit my factory this year. These lucky 5 will be shown around personally by me, and they will be allowed to see all the secrets and the magic of my factory. Then, at the end of the tour, as a special present, all of them will be given enough chocolates and sweets to last them for the rest of their lives. So watch out for the golden tickets. 5 golden tickets have been printed on golden paper, and these 5 golden tickets have been hidden underneath the ordinary wrapping paper of 5 ordinary bars of chocolate. These 5 chocolate bars may be anywhere, in any shop, in any street, in any town, in any country in the world, upon any counter where Wonka's sweets are sold. And the 5 lucky finders of these 5 golden tickets are the only ones who will be allowed to visit my factory and see what it's like now inside. Good luck to you all, and happy hunting. Signed, Mr. Willy Wonka. That man's dotty, muttered Grandma Josephine. He's brilliant, cried Grandpa Joe. He's a magician. Just imagine what will happen now. The whole world will be searching for those golden tickets. Everyone will be buying Wonka's chocolate bars in the hope of finding one. He'll sell more than ever before. Oh, how exciting it would be to find one. And all the chocolate and sweets you could eat for the rest of your life. Free, said Grandpa George. Just imagine that. They'd have to deliver them in a truck, said Grandma Georgina. Makes me quite ill to think of it, said Grandma Josephine. Nonsense, cried Grandpa Joe. Wouldn't it be something, Charlie, to open a bar of chocolate and see a golden ticket glistening inside? Certainly would, Grandpa, but there isn't a hope, Charlie said sadly. I only get 1 bar a year. You never know, darling, said Grandma Georgina. It's your birthday next week. You have as much chance as anybody else. I'm afraid that simply isn't true, said Grandpa George. The kids who are going to find the golden tickets are the ones who can afford to buy bars of chocolate every single day. Our Charlie only gets 1 a year. There isn't a hope. Okay, so that's the end of chapter 5, only a short chapter again. Okay, so I've got 8 questions for you for this chapter. So, question number 1. Why were the family so excited that the factory was going to reopen? Question 2. How many children are allowed to visit the factory? Question 3. Why do you think Mr. Wonka is only letting those 5 children enter the factory? Question 4. How will those 5 children be chosen? Question 5, linked to question 4. Do you think this is a fair way to choose the 5 children that are allowed to enter the factory? Okay, and can you explain why you think it is or isn't fair that that method's been chosen to choose the children? Number 6. Why do you think Charlie and his grandparents think he has little chance of winning a golden ticket? Number 7. Can you explain why children with more money are more likely to win one of the golden tickets available? And number 8 is a bit of a writing task. How do you think you would feel if you won a ticket? Can you write a short diary entry explaining your thoughts and feelings as if you'd just opened a bar of chocolate and won one of the 5 golden tickets in the whole wide world? Okay, so a short diary entry explaining how you might feel, what you might be thinking, what your emotions might be, okay, how you would react to winning one of those 5 tickets. Okay, so rewatch the video to help you answer the questions, pause it where you need to, and I will see you all for video number 6.